Hey guys, today I want to talk about something. I want to talk about 5 sources of passive income. You know that I like a lot passive income, and today I want to tell you about 5 sources of passive income I do have that work day and night for me and make me some money every month. You know that I'm very that I like about passive income. I believe that we should invest our money in ways that they generate more wealth for us, and I like a lot to save and invest money. So today I will show 5 ways I do increase a little more money to the money that I already invested in, and they are making money on BlockFi, on Celsius, on banking account, and other places. And I try to have the most sources of income I can, not depriving my normal life. I mean, for example, the first source income I do have is using Brave browser. Brave is a browser that is a copy from Chrome. Works like Chrome, has the same functionalities, and even has the same extensions. Basically, works like Chrome. The main difference between Chrome and Brave browser is that it generates some ads that don't give your location away. Like for example, this one from eToro, that I'm seeing it, and when if I go to watch a little more about eToro, that isn't a service I don't use yet. Maybe in the future I will. I'm thinking about it because many times shows to me, and I get sometimes curiosity to go see what it is. And when I go see what it is, I receive a little bad token. Last month, this is not a very big amount. Last month I received um, 1.9, almost 2 bets. And if you want to know how much it is to bet, we can come here and see that I have one and already, and it costs around 90 cents. So probably I received last month around $2. Okay, surfing around on the web doing my own thing, and this has a very good advantage. It saves me time. It saves me bandwidth. It blocks some trackers, and this is the amount of money and time already saved me this month. Every month this amount of time updates. Okay, so this is my first source of income. It's not much, but we are talking about $2 that I generate by doing my daily thing. I didn't change my habits to generate them, so I think it's pretty cool. Okay, the second thing I use is Peer Profit. Uh, Brave browser, you can just come and download from Brave browser. You can just go to Brave browser and download. Then on the past they had affiliates thing, but not anymore. So yeah, you can just come and download it, and it saves a lot saves protects your information, and also saves you time, and gives you some rewards you some money. The second thing from these 5 I want to show you guys about is Peer Profit. Peer Profit is something I started not long ago. This one has a referral link. If you use, it's gonna be better for you. I think. Let me just come here. Referral program. If you use my link on the subscription, let me just check what happens when you come and use my link. So you get extra money, and I also get extra money. Okay, this it says it pays around €6 a month. Okay, I'm not receiving that this much, but I think that you can make more, depends on the country that you are on, and by using my referral link you are helping me and you are helping yourself as well. But right now I have 2 computers on my network, this one and another one, and they moved only around 700 not even 1 GB, so that's why I made around 57 cents. Okay, but it's interesting why it doesn't take any space, so it's interesting. Okay, the third is Onigain. Onigain is very similar to peer profit, but makes more money. Here you can see that there is some days that makes me around 60 cents, others that lately is making less. But there also every day you receive this thing that if you come here, you can just come try your luck, open this jar and receive some amount. It can vary from 1 to 1,000, to 10 from 1,000, when 10 is 1 cent, to 1,000 that is $1. And in both cases, peer profit and then again you can take out the money as bitcoins. For example, in this case I already have $10 in, and when I reach $20 I will be able to take it out. If you I will leave the link in subscription for Onigain, and again also when you start with my link you're gonna start with $6, and it's head start for you guys, and you're gonna reach much sooner the amount that you have. So for Onigain you can just come here and you can invite your friends first. For example, yesterday I got 9 from my referral. I got 122. This 9, this is 12 cents, I think. This is 12 cents, yeah, this is 12 cents. This is around 1 cent. And this was, yesterday I got 50, so more 5 cents. Today I got 20. Other day I got 10, and I got 10 from referral, so I got 1 cent. So if you guys invite your friends, you're gonna make extra money on this. Okay, this is interesting. It's a way to make some extra money, and doesn't take much space from your computer. So the other 2 ways I have to make money besides these 3, so you guys can do these 3. Besides that, I have also Theta fuel that helps the Theta network, and I'm paid in fuel. Then I moved out, but for example last month I received this amount. Isn't yet in my bank balance, but soon it's gonna be there, and then you can move to exchange and move it. So it's not much anyway. You help the network. You can just come here and broadcast as well, and you can hear and watch some information, some streams, and yeah, you can use this also as a information and see some Netflix or whatever, and yeah, it's interesting. You can, and then you can watch how much you are helping the network. Okay, so so on 19 was the last time my computer helped the video, and yeah, it paid me this amount on Theta. Theta also doesn't pay much, but doesn't take much information. I have this in light mode, so it's not taking much space from my computer. Power mode is on light. You can move to full. I know that in full it makes double or triple, but I don't want to take so much space from my computer, so I leave it at light mode. The last that I use to make money, the one that makes me more money, is this one. This one makes around $66 per day, per month, I mean, and this is the one that is my biggest earner. Okay, and this is my best way to make money passively. Okay, so you have first the Brave browser, the peer profit, Onigain, Theta fuel, and also GamerHash. GamerHash is just installed. I already made a video of it. It's my main source of income, passive. So yeah, you can. I have a 1080, and with it I make money. Okay. So I have these 5 sources of income, and that's how I make money online, putting all them together. Okay. So guys, you're gonna find links on the subscription for GamerHash, for peer profit, and for Onigain. If you use them, you're gonna have big advantage. So just use them if you want to make some extra money online. So thank you guys. So this is my 5 best source of incomes. to make money online without work. Just if you like this knowing more about this, just like and subscribe, and thank you.